drugs. We're just putting oil for the smoker. So people asked me to do an urban crawl. I did one, and so far this is how many people showed up. And it's only 8 minutes after 8:30. It's 8:38. People are supposed to be at 8:30 to do a downtown walk and crawl. We can come with drifters or whatever. People are supposed to meet up at the CTV building. And we're ready to go. Oh, t'as un gros step, ça. Oh, there he goes. What? I don't want to flip my bug.
Hand of God.
You're smoking.
That's not right.
Okay. Yeah. It's hard to put the smoke back in there.
Lost my cap.
Lost your muffler. Un douze turn. Un 35 tours. You're so high bound. Yeah. So I'm on high. We're going to try a little race here real quick. So we go on 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. 35 turn versus 15 turn. But I got a 2-speed transmission.
Yeah.
I'm pretty good for a 35 turn.
Yeah, you're up there.
But you win. I have no drag brake with this thing. So we found the sinkhole. So we're on our way to the sinkhole. It actually looked bigger in the picture. See, because I got Herbie in the back, I'll be nice.
Yeah.
Okay, we're alone. We should go for a beer on the patio.
Downtown home. Watch yourself.
We're in an alley. We're cutting through an alley. Oh, found a spot to go play with.
Setting up my tractors for secret. No problem.
Okay, so we're doing a test. Who's gonna go higher? Come on. Ah. Whoa!
Yeah, that's as high as I'm going.
Oh, you went pretty high. I'm already spinning. Am I grabbing somewhere? Wait a minute, how come I have my... Oh, did I break my drive shaft at the back again? I think my rear drive shaft gave out again. Yeah? I see it.
Yeah.
I gotta get a metal one. I'm 4x4 with a 6x6. I'm not, you put in photo. That's a video, not a photo. Come on.
They notated scat, like the tracks, they notated the state. That's what they were doing.
It's dark over here. I'm scared. I'm going in the woods with Yannick. I'm scared.
You better tie on your pants good, bud.
I'll just follow you. You got good lighting. And on peut tourner à droite, là, à gauche, je veux dire. Go through the grass. We have 4x4 and 6x6.
Wow.
Well, yeah.
4x4.
No drag brake. It just keeps going and going and going. Can't see anything. Looks like Herbie has white tires at the back, but he doesn't. I told it to go deep. I did not do my tires, so I had a blowout, but it didn't come off the rim. So we're on our way back, almost out of batteries, not batteries, but out of memory for the video. So we're back to the car. There we go. We started at 8:30. We're back at the car, and it's 10:45. So that was a 2-hour hike in downtown Ottawa. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.